Shwetanki, can you please call
Yes,
everyone?
ma'am.
How are you enjoying the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Any style you want me to change?
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Is it okay?
Yes,
Okay. I think we'll let it be more. This your turn was left, right? For that activity. What happened? We'll start. I think you give your introduction. You can now. 7 stakeholders in the meeting.
Competition is cut.
So take a seat. Everybody's like. One person is missing in each table except this. Yeah.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hope you all had a good lunch. So, I'm Aditi Kamleshwar and I am from Kirloskar Oil Engines working in Kirloskar Power Gen business unit in product management department. So, I take care of mostly the marketing of our generators. So, as Kirloskar Oil Engines, we manufacture gensets and engines. Firstly, I want to tell you about how the business works. So, genset business works through GOEM. Now, GOEMs are Genset's original equipment manufacturer. We have 9 GOEMs in India, and recently we have acquired one more GOEM in America named as Wildcat. So, now total 10 GOEMs globally we have, and we work through them. So, we have genset ranging from 2.5 kVA to 1500 kVA. For small businesses and households, we have 2.5 to 5.5 kVA gensets and 7.5 to 750 kVA for middle horsepowers, medium horsepowers. So why we are different than other companies and other genset manufacturers is that because we were the first one to get aligned with the new emission norms. Last year in July 2023, government has floated this that we should move forward to the new emissions, which is CPCB 4. Previously, we were using CPCB 2. So we were the first in India to come forward and make a genset on that. Other than that, for small ranges, we are the market leader in India, and we are now spreading our presence globally in Dubai, South Africa, America, Middle East, everywhere. So I'm really looking forward to get connected with you and know more about your business. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, I liked your introduction. It went little more so that you can crisp it. This transmission thing, no, that point, that why we stand out as a generator manufacturer, that should have come first. And that CIPC, then all the product names, I guess you have mentioned. So that was not required. If you can give over like the heading of that product. You don't have to go into the sub products. And interesting that you asked question. You asked question, but it was incomplete because when people gave response, no, you did not say anything. You just started, I am Aditi. Like you like, have you had lunch? I hope you have enjoyed lunch. So they said yes, and so at least say, oh, that's great. So I am Aditi. So or this is me, Aditi. Or whatever. Then that could have. It's very important when people ask questions, you acknowledge those answers as well. Nothing much, just oh, that's nice, interesting, and then you proceed. Make sense? Great, thank you. Next.
So, hi all, I am Dipankar. I'm Dipankar Basak. I am associated with Coil from past 7 months, and I've been working in the controlling department at Kagal manufacturing plant. So, if we look at our financial numbers, so we have got a PAT of this year, this financial year, we have got a PAT of 362 crores, which is a year on year increase of 34% compared to last year. And regarding the sales which we got this year is like 4,806 crores, which is also a 23% year-on-year growth. And we would like to connect with you all to get your numbers greater like us, because we have a motto of 2B2, which is a 5-year plan of our company to become a 2 billion gross sales company in the upcoming 5 years. So let's connect with together and work together to make a better future for all of us. Thank you.
Very nice. Dipankar, I like the introduction. Just one line you can add before you start sharing your numbers. What kind of line can you add? Maybe why do you think Kirloskar has improved? Why it's improved? Consistency or consistent efforts or innovation? What is it? Any idea?
Because of collaboration and innovative thinking of our baseline engineers, our A-class engineers.
So that point you have to mention, that due to the innovative mindset and the collaborated efforts of our baseline engineers, and consistency in our efforts to serve the society, the customers, we have increased. So that line would have made sense to many because, like as I told you, the people who are not good in numbers, they would not understand what to do with those numbers. But if you give a layman term uh, outline behind before that, just the way I spoke about the product line, and don't explain product line. Maybe people in your industry, but it could be a possibility in this networking event. A layman also is there who may not have a technical. So a small sentence that gives them an idea that what happened or why it happened. So that makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Tejas Wale, and I work in Koel in data analytics department, which comes under IT. So in data analytics, we work in a multi-dimensional environment where we handle projects from different business units, and we help them to achieve their business goals. So I currently handle projects for industrial and customer service departments. And what kind of help do we provide? So it includes any kind of data related help, for example, data visualizations, dashboards, analysis on historical data, and maybe AI and ML driven applications. Any kind of help that helps business units understand their data well and take informed data driven decision making. So that's all from my side. If you have any doubts or if you want to know about my services, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.
Very nice. He included this time that kind of line that I was talking about. Good job.
So hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Jyoti and I am from Koel. So Kirloskar Oil Engine, it is one of the leading genset manufacturer in India. So in addition to our fuel-based product, we are also manufactured
practical results. Focus on the words that you want people to. Otherwise, your introduction content is good, but how you are delivering, you have to practice those, ups and downs.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrunali Bazare and currently I am working in Kirloskar Pneumatic Company Limited and my department is PGS, Process Gas System, and I am working in the ENIT, Electrical and Instrumentation. So our department manufacture three packages, CNG packages, non-CNG and booster packages. So our client is GGS, Gujarat Gas Limited, and ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. And when you go into near any petrol pump, you see Kirloskar CNG packages. Either it is a booster or CNG. So that's all. Thank you so much.
Very nice. Okay, thank you everyone for sharing your introductions. Did you learn something from this activity?
Yes.